What's up guys, Everyday iTech here, and today in this video, we're going to be testing out the durability of the new iPhone 17, the 17 Air, and also the 17 Pro. Alright, so first, let's go and unbox the iPhone 17. I got it in sage green and 512 gigabytes, so peel tab. Oh my gosh. All right, so here's that sage green color, and I think it actually looks really nice. It's my favorite color in the iPhone 17. The blue is cool, but we've been seeing blue too much, so this is a nice little change. Go ahead and do the honors. Wow, go ahead and power it on. And also inside the box, you get just the cable. So no power adapter or headphones or even Apple stickers. And then we got the paperwork, which looks like they even cut corners on as well. So yeah, that's the sage green iPhone 17. All right, so other than that, we got the iPhone Air. So I'm really excited about this one. Only 5.7 millimeters thin, which is even thinner than the iPhone 6. I got it in gold, 512 gigabytes as well. And just even the box is thinner itself. I wish it came in the iPod boxes where it was like the plastic case, which it was completely clear. That would have been really cool. But there it is, guys, the iPhone Air. So this thing, it's really slim. I'm probably gonna drop it. Again, just right before we get started, same stuff inside the box. All you get is the USB-C to USB-C cable and the very simple paperwork. It's all very rounded now. Just look at how thin that is. That's absolutely crazy. And I really do love the gold. I was thinking about sky blue, but this one just spoke to me. Oh my God. Okay. This thing is just so nice to hold. It's absolutely incredible. My favorite is the gold. I was thinking about maybe getting the silver, but this is just like a piece of jewelry. All right, so now it's time for the iPhone 17 Pro. I was about to get in the cosmic orange color, but as I was looking at it for a minute, I realized that my eyes were already getting an eyesore. So I decided to go with the silver option, which is 512 gigabytes as well. Time to shake the box. And there it is. I really like the silver option. It's probably the one I'm going to be dailying. So let's go and take that out. Again, in the box, you get the same stuff, the cable and the paperwork. I really miss having more inside the box, but this is the iPhone 17 Pro in silver. Again, I really like this one right here. It looks really nice. The cosmic orange is just a little too much for me. All right, so first let's test out the bend strength of the iPhone Air. Apple did say that's bend resistant, so let's go and try that out. You guys can see it does flex a little bit, but it's really not giving in. I'm pretty sure if I use full force, I could actually bend it. So it's still pretty straight. Let's go ahead and try bending the other way. And I am putting quite a bit of force, but you guys can see, unlike the iPhone 6, it still did retain its shape. And that's pretty incredible for its form factor. It's really, really thin. Let's give it one last go. Yeah, that thing's not bending. Now, if I put it at the end of a table or something and then really try to press down, maybe this thing is pretty strong. All right, so first going to be starting out with the iPhone 15 Pro, which is made out of titanium, and the iPhone Air, which is titanium as well with polished frames. So Apple is saying all 17 models have the ceramic shield on the front and the back, but the ceramic shield is 4 times more crack resistant and 3 times more scratch resistant. So let's go and put that to the test. Let's going to start at waist height with both screens facing towards the camera. So 3, 2, 1. Whew. All right, so here is the iPhone 15 Pro made out of titanium, and you guys can see it is pretty scuffed on the bottom, so that is absolutely crazy. While the iPhone Air is scuffed right there as well, but it's not as extreme, but it's definitely still prevalent. So far, it's pretty scared to do this. All right, guys, so my dad already yelled at me for buying this many iPhones. So please like and subscribe and share this video so that I could get some money back into my pocket. I just don't want to do this. These are really beautiful phones. Oh my God. All right, here we go. Now we're gonna do waist height with the backs facing the bottom. So right here, and let's go and drop them. Whew. Oh my goodness. So the iPhone 15 Pro is now cracked from the back. Again, you don't have that ceramic shield 2 on there, while the iPhone Air is still looking perfectly fine. So there's some scuffing on the camera, but it's wiping it off and it's now clean. The camera lens on the 15 as well is also fine, but yeah, it now has a crack running through the back. That is absolutely crazy. That ceramic shield is really putting in work. All right, guys, now the part that I really don't want to do. Both of the iPhones face down. Waist height again. I really don't want to do this. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh no. Guys, the iPhone 15 Pro now has a cracked screen. It has like a hairline scratch right there. Also right there. There's a good angle right there. So hairline cracks, but officially cracked on the screen. While the iPhone Air, take a look at this. It's still clean, perfect, and nothing's wrong with it. This screen is really strong. The ceramic shield is really putting in work. So now we're going to be testing both phones upside down again from the side. And this time we're going to be doing it from shoulder height. So right over here, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Oh my goodness. The iPhone 15 looks completely destroyed, while the Air, we don't know yet. All right, guys, so here's the iPhone 15 Pro. Again, we dropped it just like this onto its head, and now it is completely destroyed. The OLED panel is coming apart, and it's chipping away. So yeah, there's the top part as well. Not much damage right there, but it looks like the screen really took the impact. While the Air, the screen is still fine. That is absolutely crazy. Wow, this phone looks almost brand new. Even the top, you just got some light scuffing right there. And yeah, it's pretty crazy. That's really all the damage. There's some light scuffing right here as well. But otherwise, still a working phone, and it's completely usable. Like the back's in good condition. It's just got scuffs on the side of the frame. So now we're gonna do cameras facing down. Again, shoulder height. All right, here we go. I'm not putting too much favor into the iPhone 15 Pro. While the Air, let's see. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. That was a crazy impact. Oh my goodness. Look at the 15. It's already even more messed up. Oh no. Okay, so the 15 is even more cracked on the back. The lens has scuffing on it that looks like it's not coming off. So that's really unfortunate. And here's the front. Like, holy crap. Is the screen still usable? Wow. Apple's digitizers are amazing. The phone is still usable. Now let's take a look at the Air. So the screen is fine, but since we dropped on the back, let's go and see if it held up. And oh my gosh, no, it didn't. Look at that spider webbing going on. And looks like that ceramic shield. That was a crazy impact. Flat, perfectly on the ground. And yeah, it looks like it still wasn't enough to take care of that. So, oh my God, I'm so sad to see that. I was hoping, really hoping the Air would survive. Shoulder height looks like the Air is not indestructible with the ceramic shield too. All right, now we're gonna do face down. Again, shoulder height. I don't want to do this. All right, goodbye iPhone 15 Pro. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Looks like we didn't get a perfect landing on the Air, so we're gonna go and try that again. Going to make sure to keep it face down, and this time, hopefully, the camera bump doesn't make it wobble to a different side. But here we go. Okay, so here's the comparison. Oh my gosh. This is the iPhone 15 Pro, completely obliterated, and the back is completely destroyed as well with every impact that it takes. While the Air, I was hoping this would have happened, but again, looks like that ceramic 2 shield is not indestructible from shoulder height. Glass is now cracked. So I don't know if you guys could see that, but it hit right there. So it's now got spider webbing that's going across the screen over here. And also on the bottom left, it's got cracks in the screen as well, which for the most part, I think is actually rubbing off. It's still got dents in there. Here it is again on the screen. It's more apparent with the white on the background. Yeah, really unfortunate. The Air did crack. All right, guys, my heart can't take it anymore. So yeah, there are the final results. The iPhone 15 Pro titanium versus the iPhone Air, which is also made of titanium, but with the ceramic shield too on the front and back. Clearly, there is a big difference. It's night and day. Again, here's the back on both devices. But yeah, guys, my drop camera also died, so I don't think we need to drop test the iPhone 17 and the 17 Pro. I just can't afford to lose that much right now. I'll tell you what, if this video does get enough likes and comments saying that people do want to see a drop test with just the iPhone 17 and the 17 Pro to get a full comparison with all the phones, but right now, that's all that we got time for. So Ceramic Shield 2 is durable, but it's definitely not indestructible. All right, but guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to drop a like and also smash that subscribe button. And I'm getting a call from my dad. Please help me out. This is Everyday Tech. Peace. Luna does not agree with the Ceramic Shield 2.